Hey you, what do you want to do?
I want to grow this year. I want to fast-track my career.
Does your value match your words? Then guess what? There's a top-notch international program for that.
High-caliber talent with a business mind, commercial development, that's what you'll find.
International projects, both to learn and to do. It looks like this program was designed for you.
Trainings and practice and lots of thrills. Don't miss the biggest chance to boost your skills.
Apply and get to grow right from the start. Meet the people and the market. It's time to be smart.
Everybody wins.
And this is a Grand Prix. It's called the ultimate learning journey for me.
Mentors and buddies, real work, peer-to-peer. Get on board to kickstart your leadership career.
Meet the leaders, see the world, get the vibe.
People say it's a love brand, you can call it your tribe.
Bring your own magic.
Bring your own magic. Bring your own magic.
Apply to the International Leadership Trainee Program by Coca-Cola HBC.
Let's do it again.
I kinda like it.